Hello, good morning, sir. This is Meghala from Challenge Finance Company. In our company, we have many schemes, sir. If you give me few minutes, then I'll explain you clearly.
Tell me, Meghala.
Thank you, sir. Sir, actually, our company is a multinational company. If you invest in our company, definitely you'll have a profit. So I'll explain about every single scheme. So, did you like our plan, sir?
Yeah. By the way, tell me again, what's your name?
Meghala, sir.
Nice name.
Thank you, sir. Sir, which plan you have?
The plans what you tell me are simply superb.
Okay.
I was expecting such an offer for a long time.
Thank you so much, sir.
One tea.
Sir, your name, please?
I'm Satya.
Satya. Where are you working, sir?
Software company?
Software company. Okay, sir. Sir, if you need, I'll send my executive and he will talk to you.
Not required. You explained me very clearly. Then why do they need to talk to me? So it's okay.
Which plan you are choosing, sir?
Actually, Meghala, the plans you said was normal, not superb. To be very frank, it was excellent. So I just have a small confusion in selecting the plans. If you don't mind, if you tell me one more time, I can select it.
Okay, sir. You wanna listen second time?
I'm sorry, now I'm little busy.
So, when will I call you?
Tomorrow, same time?
Okay, sir. Definitely, sir. I'll call you tomorrow, sir. Thank you, sir.
What's this?
Hello? Good morning, sir. I'm Meghala speaking in Challenge Finance Company.
Hi Meghala. How are you?
I'm superb, sir. What about you?
I'm also absolutely fine, Meghala. Yeah, tell me please.
Sir, actually, you told me that I want to call you today.
Oh, regarding the plan, right? Yeah, tell me, Meghala.
So actually, like I said yesterday, in our company we have 5 schemes. So Hello.
Tell me, Meghala.
So are you listening to our plans, sir?
Yeah, I heard. Out of the 10 plan, the 3 are simply superb.
So which plan you are choosing, sir?
In those 3 plans, I have a confusion in selecting. That's the problem, yeah.
Sir, actually...
If I hear it one time, I can final it. But I'm so sorry that I'm troubling you.
What is this, sir? Why are you feeling like this? Tell me which time I want to make you call.
Then tomorrow, same time?
Definitely, sir. I'll call you. Thank you, sir. Seriously, he is a wonderful customer. Oh, in this month, my target is over.
They have completely drenched me, you know. Today, girls only getting lot of job opportunities.
Hi, Meghala.
Sir, how do you know that I'm calling you in this time?
It's very simple. Actually, I don't want to see you in person at all. Just by talking to you in phone, I can understand your sincerity, punctuality. Everything is easily understandable.
Will I tell you about plans, sir?
Yeah, tell me. I'm ready for that.
Now are you clear about plans, sir?
Yeah. Everything is clear, Meghala.
Thank you, sir. Which plan you are choosing, sir?
Before that, I would like to talk to you for a few minutes.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Usually, my traveling time from home to office is around 45 minutes. My friend always used to come with me. He used to talk nonsense always, and the time just ran away.
Okay.
Suddenly, he told that he was going to Bangalore. It was a shock for me. I don't know what to do. To be very frank, I was really missing my friend, you know. I was really upset for that. And that time you called me. You would not believe we were talking nonsense than my friend, you know that. Hello?
Heidi. Hey, why you are so sad?
You know, one person was wasted my time.
Our business itself like that.
I know very well about our work, but this person gave me attention. That's why.
You had to be like me. Whoever kidded me, now they are running like anything.
Can you trace this number?
Brother, father wants to talk with you, so he called you.
For what? Is it about rent?
You already crossed the limit.
What else? The entire family is so mad. Huh? Hi, uncle.
Come, Satya.
Uncle, I heard you wanted to talk with me. What's the problem?
Yeah, he came to solve the problem. Don't make him to sit and talk. Earlier itself I said don't give the home to bachelor. Did you ask my words? First ask him to vacate the house.
Uncle, what's the problem?
Nothing. Today morning a girl came.
Satya! Where are you? Come out! Come out! Satya!
Who are you?
What who? You don't know what I am? He followed me, he loved me. After that, he left me once everything's over. He told me that I want to ask my house owner.
Hey, mind your words.
Hey, don't talk anything. You don't know about me. I'll give you just 2 days. He should come and ask me to apologize. Otherwise, like this chair, tomorrow you will fly. Mind it.
Uncle, tell me who is she? Tell her name. I will finish her soon.
Don't act very smart. You don't know anything about her, but you're roaming with her, right? We no need his dramas. He is a waste boy, but he got a smart girl. Why this headaches? I give 2 days time for him. Ask him to say sorry to her, or else ask him to vacate the house.
Uncle, but...
Your time starts now.
Uncle,
She is the owner, I'm just a servant.
who is that girl? They're not giving any details. How can I find that girl?
Hey, leave me!
hey, sit
I
quietly.
said leave
Hey.
me! You are going to
Shut
leave me
your mouth,
alone!
I'll kick you.
I said leave me! Shall I shout you are kidnapping me? Leave me!
Hey, don't shout!
Fat boy, I'll slap you. What's your problem now?
I will come with you, but there are 2
So
conditions.
you have got conditions as well, huh?
First, you should buy lot of ice creams for me.
He will get it for you.
And second, he should not come with me.
See, how dare he? Will he leave me alone here? Hey, what happened to you? Buddy, listen carefully. Don't trust him. He will definitely let you down.
Just hold it.
For her only the costly ice cream, for me normal ice cream. I don't want your ice cream and all. Just drop me to my home.
Hey, what are you talking nonsense? Don't talk like your mother.
I know you were coming with her. I just saw with my eyes.
I'll pluck your eyes. When did you see, man?
We were searching from 2 days, right? That girl only.
Hey, is she here? Hey, just tell me, sweetheart. Just tell me, no?
Don't act and all. I know you are making fool of me.
Hey, seriously, I don't know. For the past 2 days, I'm with you, right? Please tell me, dude.
Then you should get me a costly ice cream.
First, I have to know her, then I buy for you. My sweetheart, my darling, please tell me, buddy.
See, there she is.
Where, buddy?
You're not able to see? That white color chudidar.
Oh, violet color. Thanks, baby. Hold it, hold it.
Hey, ice cream, ice cream. Hey, ice cream, man. Hey, I want ice cream.
Hey, that's correct only, right?
Okay, Dee. See you. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Hello? Hey, stop. Hey, I'm calling you from a long distance. You're going like you didn't hear anything.
Sorry, I didn't listen. But you...
I'm Satya.
Satya means...
Hello, your lover. What? You came to my house and created a big scene? Now why are you afraid?
That is not I am.
I'm sure it's you.
I'm telling you now.
Why don't you just stand and talk?
Hello. Why are you not understanding my words? Don't follow me, otherwise I'll call the police.
Okay, we'll call. Police! Police!
Hey, are you mad?
No problem with that. Your road will be cleared and I also don't have any problem. Police!
Don't shout. I'm only came to your house. What do you want now?
You created a scene. Now you're asking me what to do. You tried to spoil a good man's life. You have created a big scene that I will never get a wife in future. Okay, do one thing. You go to my house owner's house and tell them you don't have any connection with me.
I can't do this.
Then tell them we are connected.
Hello. What? Are you crazy? You only started this game first. That's why I done this.
Oh, really? So whatever I do, you do it back to me.
Definitely.
Whatever I do?
I can do anything.
Sure.
Sure.
I love you.
Idiot.
Hello, I'm not idiot. It's love, dear. Hello. Hey, you told me whatever I do, you do it back. I'm very serious about that. I love you, dear. I started to love you. I love you. I love you. Hey, what do you think of yourself? For the past 6 months, I'm following you. You're not replying me. If you have any problem, please tell me. I can understand. Do you think if you become silent, I just leave you? I will not easily leave you, dear.
If one girl wanna like one guy, it's not enough to follow him. He should impact that girl at least one time, okay? Till now, you didn't do something like this, you know? Then how should I love you?
Create impact.
Hi.
Hey, look at there.
He's a crazy fellow. Come and sit.
It's correct only. Hey, look at there.
Hey! Don't run! Hey! Wait! Hey! Don't run! I said stop the running! How dare you do this?
It's Billy!
Why you done this? Huh? Are you crazy?
Hey, stop!
Idiot! Crazy fellow!
Hey! Hey, I'm calling you. Hey, did I create an impact now? Yeah, I made it! Hey!
Satya,
Hey?
ask me what is my age?
Why?
Just ask.
Okay, what's your age?
21?
Why did you tell me to ask?
Generally, no one asks about girls' age and boys' salary, okay?
Huh?
Now you ask me about my age.
Okay.
So what's your salary?
50,000?
Then okay.
Why? Or else you'll dump me, huh?
Hey, in next week my birthday is coming.
Hey, advance happy birthday.
Don't wish me now, Satya. You should celebrate my birthday very grand, okay?
Sure. Let's enjoy it.
Thank you.
Hey, stop. Come fast. It's raining.
Yeah, you're right. Satya,
Huh?
that car is dancing. I think someone is locked in that car. Go and see.
That is not correct. Just forget it.
Go and see, Satya.
Hey, keep quiet.
You wait here, I'll go, huh?
Hey fool, don't go there. Just listen to me. My god, she's not able to understand. Oh god.
Oh,
What did you see?
nothing.
You should have seen something.
I said nothing, okay?
Tell me, sweetheart.
Nothing.
Buddy, such a star hotel. Will it be okay?
But order under the budget, okay? Huh?
Okay, buddy.
Buddy, tough day for you.
Hi.
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 Hi, Priya.
Is this hotel okay for you? We are fine.
We could have gone a bigger hotel.
It's okay, da. I'm okay for this.
Excuse me, order please.
Okay, one grilled chicken.
Mm.
No, make it two.
Okay.
Then chicken strips, chicken nuggets, and then bucket combo and finger fish and fish fry.
Okay.
What do you want?
Prawns. That's okay.
Prawns.
Okay.
What do you want?
For me, curd rice.
Curd rice?
Sambar rice.
What happened?
We have non-veg daily, so just for a change. Am I right, dude?
Okay. Sambar rice and curd rice, that's it.
Okay, madam.
Dude, we have to take care for the budget.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I'm so happy. Put that there. I'm always like this.
Yeah, I know about you very well.
We'll always say others to give the treat.
Satya, before we start the party, I want to give you a surprise.
Your love is a big surprise for me. Anything more than that? Am I right, buddy?
Hey friends, I want to tell you something. He's my boyfriend, Satya. He's celebrating my birthday today. Thanks. So, enjoy the party.
They're sitting like sleeper cells.
Yes, buddy, you're right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Where are we going?
Hey, if I go only, we can tackle the situation.
Are you trying to escape?
Nobody, I'll come back immediately.
Hey, you will come back soon, right?
Yes. Excuse me, I'll wash the hands and come.
If it is a free treat, they'll just go on just like that.
It's very good, right?
Why is this stupid fellow not yet returned? Meghla, I will go and wash my hands and come.
You're done?
You continue.
Okay.
Why he is taking time?
I don't know.
Hello? Hey, buddy, I couldn't arrange the money. I'm escaping from here. You don't get caught. Just escape from there, okay?
Take this.
Hello. Ma'am, I've kept the candle. Okay, you do your work.
Buddy, do you want to have a drink?
He doesn't require anything.
Mommy, mix him with soda.
Hello?
I'm sorry, brother, I can't come. I have to take my wife to the hospital. Wait for me for a while. I'll be right there soon. Please give me 5 minutes. Don't mistake me, okay?
What? Are you playing with me?
Hey, don't irritate me.
I swear I'm in the hospital.
The house key is with me.
I'll come and open the house.
Give me 5 minutes, I'll be right there.
What happened, Prithvi?
He's sitting inside and telling me that he's at hospital.
He's just trying to make me afraid.
Should we use Chirag before night games, madam? Ask him and tell me.
Sir, even I have the same doubt. So I will consult with the doctor now. Sir, tell me, sir.
That is all unnecessary cheating for getting good names, madam.
Oh.
If a man is not strong enough, even if Miss Universe goes in front of him, nothing is going to happen.
Shooting is going well, madam. I shall call you later.
No
Nobody's there. She's alone. Now I can track her.
Okay.
Do you have any sense?
bye.
Huh? I'm here with so much of shooting tension and you're calling me again and again?
Raghav, come here.
Hey, madam is calling. I'll call you back. Okay?
Come.
Hey, what is this? She's calling me like a puppy?
Why? You're not getting ready for shooting?
Shooting. 24 hours, it's always shooting for you? In this world, everybody is in love and they're so happy. I'm the only person dying here doing shooting.
What is your problem?
You are my problem.
Huh?
Hey, no. My mom. All the time she keeps saying, get married, like that, you know?
Why don't you?
For that, even I agreed. For that, she asked me what kind of girl I want. I had your photo in my phone. I just sent it through WhatsApp, you know?
Huh?
No. Find me a girl who looks like this. That is what I said, okay?
What she said?
Hey, you stupid fellow. You have a wonderful girl next to you. Why are you searching all around? Catch hold of her immediately. That is what she said. Is it wrong? Is it correct or wrong?
Half right. Another half not wrong also. Hey.
Hello. Dang. Hey. What? Do you think it is imagination? It is real. What you thought this Shiva was an angry person? He killed someone. He went to the jail. He loved me and left me in between, right? What happened? The true story is something else.
Hey! Whatever I do in this area, you should not say it. Leave it alone.
You cruel! How many girls' life will you spoil again? You have spoiled my only daughter's life. I will not leave you.
Don't spare his life, father. Kill him.
Go to hell.
You know who buried him in the grave? It's none other than your neighbor, that Nagaratna's dad. Somehow they only came there and surrendered themselves, saying they only did all that. I got released. Do you know one more thing? The reason for cancellation of your marriage and me coming out of the jail. Do you know what is the reason? This is my mom's thali. Her last wish was like, I have to tie this to you. She died with that last wish. Her wish shouldn't go waste. I have to tie this to you. God has written this. Nobody can change that. Hey, did you see that? Your dad also gave blessings. From now on, you should never cry like this. Okay?
I even don't know how to cut the vegetables.
I'll teach you a lot more things which you don't know. From now on, you should not do all this. Girl, please excuse me. I am coming to you strong. I'm coming to you strong.
You know all these things are what?
Bhimasen and Nala Maharaj, are they not strong? Just like me, they also had mustache till yesterday. You only did everything.
What happened? There is no
Yes, Gayatri.
Oh.
Yeah,
Greetings. She came in the wrong time.
When we see you both together, we feel very happy.
We are also happy you came, right? Come, have breakfast.
Breakfast?
That is for lunch. That'll take some time. Okay, I'll go to the hotel, get some food. What, baby? Will you eat burger? Okay?